Good morning.
Where are we going, Sa? Where are we going? We're going to...
We're going on a trip with my favorite rocket ship.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. We're here at the car. We're gonna go in a swimming pool
At Baler Aurora!
at Baler Aurora. Dada, go get the pan.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
This is a family trip.
Family trip.
It's an early summer.
A journey to
It's
Baler Aurora.
Baler Aurora.
Hey!
Where's Ellie?
In a while,
Ellie! I say hi guys!
Hi
Magsa-surfing na tayo.
guys.
we're going to do surfing.
Yay!
Where's si Lance? Hi Lance!
Yes, let's go to
Where's
the
Lance?
Legoland. Let's go to the Legoland.
No! We're not going to the Legoland! We're going to the beach!
Yes. Sure.
Hi!
Hello.
Hello.
Mamaya nasa Baler na kami.
Hello.
Sabi nila mga 2 hours daw.
2 hours travel.
Yes!
So in a while, we're going to surf.
Yes.
This is our first
Great.
The journey to Baler Aurora. First unlocking of Baler Aurora.
Oh, later naman ha. So, bye guys. Later.
I see the buckle.
Okay, we're going to update you later once we get
Surprise.
once we get there at Baler Aurora. See you
Okay.
guys.
See you.
See us. Cheese.
Cheese.
Who believes all?